by part manual sort across co-edge groups.
Hello everyone. Today, I'll introduce a new feature of CypNest 2025 version 3 straight cut by part manual sort across co-edge groups. In the new version, during by part manual sort, you can freely choose whether to sort across co-edge groups. Let's do a demonstration. First, let's look at the original order. The overcut is 20 mm. And there's a 2 mm gap. Click Sort. And then by part sort. You can see a new option here, Sort across co-edge groups. It is unchecked by default. When this option is unchecked, the co-edge group is treated as a single part during sort. The internal order to pass and the techniques within the co-edge group will not change. Click Start Sort. The co-edge group is sorted as an integrated unit. After sort, techniques like overcut and gap are retained. If you check Sort across co-edge groups, the parts within the co-edge group are treated as individual parts during sort. However, the co-edge to pass will be regenerated. And the techniques like gap within the co-edge group will not be retained. According to the parameters set in the advanced sort, let's set overcut distance on the page to 15. Now, do manual sort again. Check Sort across co-edge groups. The overcut value is regenerated according to the parameters set in advanced sort. And the previous gap value has also been reset. That's all for today's topic.